Are you wondering how long it'll take to sell your home this summer? According to Redfin, the average home takes about 32 days on market to sell. However, this is just an average number. In reality, some homes sell almost instantly, while others languish on the market for months. Why is this? In my opinion, it comes down to three key factors: the condition of your home, accessibility to the home, and obviously, price. Let's break down each of these three factors, and I'll explain how you can leverage them to sell your home faster. Key point number one, condition. You can't control the location of your home, but we can certainly upgrade the condition before you hit the market. Make sure you take care of any minor repairs up front. That's going to be your outlet covers, simple things like that. A little thing is just off and it turns the buyer off completely. You may want your agent to do a walkthrough through your home just so they can point out anything that might be of concern to prospective buyers. Small things might seem like they're not a big deal, but they add up and they make a negative impression on buyers. And some of the buyers we're seeing right now either don't have the time or the money to make those repairs. If they don't see any deferred maintenance, they're more likely to put in an offer fast. So key point number two is going to be accessibility. Buyers can't put an offer on a home they can't see. Well, they might, but they're not going to go to closing without seeing the house. Accessibility. Being as accessible to buyers as possible will increase your showings. Increased showings means better offers and gets you your net faster. I understand that it's tough to get your house show ready on short notice. I've had clients move into temporary housing while their house was on the market. Having another place to stay might also make it easier to move because you've already done some packing. Key point number three, pricing. Your initial price is more than just a number. It is the first part of the marketing strategy. Work with your agent to find similar homes in your area that have sold recently. That should hopefully find you a good starting point. From there, choose a reasonable initial price to draw attention, and that should create competition and maybe even start a bidding war. This will increase exposure to your home and hopefully get you the best price for your house. Hopefully these tips will help you sell your home quickly. In the meantime, feel free to reach out for a home consultation. I'll go over the details of your home and what we need to do in order to get your home to sell fast. I look forward to hearing from you. I'm Cricket with Asheville Luxury Brokers. Call, text, email. I look forward to helping.